How's it going, everybody? It's Sean here, and I'm back today to give you guys a closer look at another one of my Nike by You creations. So in today's video, I'll be talking about the Nike Air Max 90 by You in the South Beach LeBron 8 colorway. This pair was designed and created through the Nike by You platform. This was the Nike Air Max 90 premium version, which retailed for 200 Canadian dollars, which translates to around 150 US. The inspiration behind this colorway was, of course, the Nike LeBron 8 in the famous South Beach colorway. One of the most recognizable and coveted LeBrons of all time, I tried to mimic the colors on that shoe as closely as possible on the Air Max 90 model. Diving straight into the shoe, for the most part, the upper of the shoe is done in this hyper turquoise color. On the toe box, I opted for a standard mesh material, and then surrounding the outer edge of the toe box, I opted for a hyper turquoise colored poly woven material. This is not to be confused with suede, but it's a little bit more like canvas, but a bit softer to the touch. Running across the length of the bottom of the shoe, the mudguard here is constructed out of a hyper turquoise colored leather. This leather felt very plush and very soft to the touch, and I was very happy with the quality. On the quarter panel, we have again that poly woven material, and then stitched on top, we have a black Nike swoosh, also done in that same poly woven fabric. Above this, we have these eye stays, which are both done in black. And then towards the back end of the shoe, the mudguard has this cutaway, which exposes the plastic Air Max branding, and I opted for a black colored finish. Taking a look at the back heel, so covering the upper portion, we have this rubber tag, which has Nike Air branding, and this is done in black. As for the laces, so this being South Beach inspired, of course I had to go with the pink. Underneath the laces, we have a black nylon tongue, and unfortunately they didn't give us a choice for the Nike tag at the top, so it seems like every shoe that was designed, they gave us the standard white, orange, and black tag. Pulling out the insoles, so these come with mismatching insoles. On the left shoe, it's entirely done in orange with the 30th anniversary branding on the heel, and then on the right shoe, the insole here is done in this mosaic-like mismatching pattern finish. The upper of these Air Max 90s sits atop this midsole that's entirely colored in this hyper turquoise color. Underneath the heel, we have this cutaway which exposes the Nike airsole unit found within the midsole, and to match the color of the midsole, I opted for a hyper turquoise colored air unit as well. Turning the shoe over to the bottom, so here we have your standard Air Max 90 outsole. In this case, I opted for a gray colored outsole, but there's hits of hyper turquoise coming from the midsole color choice, and this is evident on both the left and right side towards the back heel. In terms of sizing, so my feet measures as a true size 10, slightly on the wider side. I got these in a size 10 and they fit me great. I can wear between a 10 or a 10.5 in most of my Air Max 90s, and sticking true to size with this pair gave me a nice snug fit, but if you want more of a relaxed feeling on feet, then you can definitely go up a half size. Next up, from a comfort standpoint, so the Air Max 90, while it's a shoe from 1990, as far as lifestyle sneakers go, it's actually still pretty comfortable. It's not going to be super soft like something with Boost or React, of course, but I definitely have no complaints about wearing these, and I could totally wear these for long hours in the day with no complaints. Last but not least, in terms of the quality and the build of this shoe, so I touched upon the leather quality earlier. This part I was very happy with, but the rest of the materials on the shoe were pretty basic, nothing too special. And then from a build and craftsmanship standpoint, well, it was okay. It's obviously not the highest quality sneaker that I've ever had, but considering this is a one-of-one custom made to my specific specifications, I really can't complain. For the price I paid, getting this in just over 30 days, I was really happy with the end result. So with all that being said, let's lace up these South Beach Air Max 90s, and I'll show you guys how these look on feet. As the warmer weather slowly starts trickling in, hopefully COVID-19 eventually gets resolved sooner rather than later, but if not, these guys will definitely be worn, I guess, in the house. There's a very strong tropical and summerish vibe to this shoe, and the colors on the sneaker is definitely going to turn a lot of heads. So let me know in the comment section down below how you guys feel about this South Beach Air Max 90 by You. Are you guys feeling the colors on this shoe, or are you not a big fan, which is completely fine? If you guys like this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Give me a follow on Instagram at esco8. Check out my Twitter at sean.go. and visit my website at seango.ca. So until next time, thank you guys so much for tuning in. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Stay home, stay safe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.